everybody, this is Eric for Planting Seeds for Life, and I'm not going to comment on this one. I'm just going to read it and leave it. God made man perfectly holy and happy, and the fair earth, as it came from the Creator's hand, bore no blight of decay or shadow of the curse. It is transgression of God's law, the law of love, that has brought woe and death. Yet even amid the suffering that results from sin, God's love is revealed. It is written that God cursed the ground for man's sake. Genesis 3:17. The thorn and the thistle, the difficulties and trials that make his life one of toil and care, were appointed for his good as a part of the training needful in God's plan for his uplifting from the ruin and degradation that sin has wrought. The world, though fallen, is not all sorrow and misery. In nature itself are messages of hope and comfort. There are flowers upon the thistles, and the thorns are covered with roses. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, hit that like button, and click that notification bell so you can receive all of our future videos. And please comment and share. We appreciate all the help we get. Thank you once again, and God bless you.